What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another fucking video. Today I'm super excited. I'm finally getting like one of my dream parts for the Mustang. Like, you don't understand how excited I am. I'm sure you guys can tell from the thumbnail and title. It is a full carbon wide body for my Mustang from Anderson Composite. And yeah, you guys don't understand how excited I am. Like, I've been wanting this part for a while, and then I was gonna sell the Mustang, and then the whole market with all the cars right now, it's just stupid to buy a car right now. Like, so I was thinking, I have the Mustang still, I was gonna sell it, it was pretty much all stock, but then I was thinking, I've been wanting to drift this car for like the longest, even when it was all like stanced out. I was always having fun like trying to drift it and stuff, but I was just thinking, might as well just full send the car. Like, I don't owe that much money on the car anymore, so it'd be kind of stupid to sell it and try to get another car, because all the other cars I want are like fucking 50s and up to like 70s. So it's kind of stupid to buy a car right now in this market. So I was thinking, might as well just full send the Mustang. I have the car already, but yeah, it's gonna be a long process. There's so much stuff I gotta buy. I'm just trying to knock things off the list, and this is like the biggest purchase probably. So yeah, I'm super excited. I was trying to figure out how to get it and stuff, because I was just gonna pay for the shipping, but the shipping was like $270, and then I called and realized it's Anderson Composite. I think they're like City of Industry, which is like maybe 45 to an hour from me. So it'd be kind of stupid, and I'm impatient, so it kind of worked out perfectly. I can just go pick it up and have it today. So I was calling this morning, and yeah, they got me through, and I could finally just go pick it up today. So yeah, super excited. Good news and all that. So hopefully I pick it up right now at 4, and I'm probably just gonna go over there and mock it up, see what it looks like on the car with like tape and stuff. So I still gotta buy like rib nuts and stuff, and yeah. So hopefully you guys see it all mocked up and stuff, and I'm telling you, it's gonna look crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the car white, honestly. Because there's only one person in this kit that I've seen personally, and it's the Formula Drift driver, Justin Pollock. So it's kind of hard to get like ideas and stuff, but I don't know if the carbon, I want to keep it carbon. I really don't want to wrap up with the carbon. So his car is black, but it looks like it flows good. I feel like on white, it's not gonna flow. So I don't know. Hopefully we see it today, and let me know what you guys think, but I'm super excited. Like, you guys don't understand. So yeah, I'm just waiting right now. I'm about to go head over there and go pick it up and stuff. So my steering wheel, I got a Sparkle steering wheel, like a quick release energy and stuff. So it's coming together, knocking things slowly off the list. So other than that, I'll catch you guys over there. We just made it, Anderson Composite. But yeah, guys, they have like everything carbon wide bodies, hoods, trunks, for like all kinds of cars. So if you guys need anything, hit them up. I wish they would sponsor me, that'd be fucking great, but hopefully maybe one day. But they have hoods, trunks, wings, fenders, all kinds of stuff. That's Anderson Composite, and then like Sebon, like 2 different companies, I think, but I think it's made by the same people. Alright guys, we just made it home. I pulled all the pieces out, and damn, like, it's so hard to like hold my excitement back when I was over there, but like, this shit is wild. Like, honestly, it's crazy. Like, it's literally carbon fenders, like, and these things are wide. I don't know if you could tell from like the angle, but yeah, it has like a whole nice lip to them. But this is the part that trips me out the most. Like, this is really literally a quarter panel, 2 quarter panels where the gas tank goes through. And it's all carbon, like legit carbon. Like, these things are crazy. It wraps around like the tail light. And you guys don't understand how happy I am to have these. It's crazy, like legit crazy. It sucks that I gotta cut the whole back of the quarter panel of the car, but damn, like I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm so fucking excited to finally have these. Let's see if you guys can see, like, I think the fronts are like 1.5 inches. They said wider, or almost 2 inches, I think. And I think the back too, something like that. But yeah, I finally have these. Super excited. And then I think I'm gonna tape the rear quarter panel to see what it looks like and see how much wider it is. The car is like in the back of my house, so it's all like on dirt and shit. Because I haven't touched the car. Like I literally, like the car was stock. I wasn't gonna do anything else to it. I was putting it back to stock slowly. But then, yeah, my mind's always changing. But yeah, I full sent it, bought these, and yeah, it's looking fucking crazy. Like, you guys don't understand. And I can't wait to have this car out and for all you guys to see it. I really can't. This thing is wild. Like, 2 homies already sit there and said, why are you gonna drift your car when you got these beautiful fenders? Like, it's probably not the smartest thing to do. Like, I'm probably gonna drift it, but not like beat the fuck out of it all the like, probably not gonna beat the hell out of it all the time, but I probably will drift it a lot, but not like crazy and stuff until I get probably super good and I trust other drivers that are like gonna tandem with me and stuff. So, but I mean, it's the part of the game, honestly. You're gonna fuck shit up, but it is scary, especially how much these are and how nice they are. But yeah, I don't know if you guys see the whole weave of the carbon, but yeah, it's nice. It comes with these. It's like a 10-piece set. It comes with the quarter panels, the fenders, and then it comes like with little bumper things for the front, and then for the bottom quarter panels too. And I think that's it. It's like 10 pieces. I gotta like mock it all up, and I think I honestly have to drill more holes in the back, because these are just where the little points of like a little fender, like flaps kind of thing go. So it's gonna suck if I really have to drill into the carbon. The fenders are just replaceable, so that's really easy. It's just the rears. Because yeah, there's only one person I've seen with this kit, and it's the drifter, Justin Pollock. So it's kind of hard to get other ideas or how to like mount it fully, which sucks, but at the same time it's a good thing because no one has a kit. It's different, so that's a good thing. But I really hope I don't have to drill in. But I seen on Justin's thing he had like bolts in the like little taillights where this goes, and I think like up there, and then on the bottom over there. So yeah, it's gonna be nervous when I actually start working on it and cutting the whole car up. I might do it this weekend. It all depends. I don't know yet, because I still have to buy hardware and then rib nuts, which I gotta order that from, I think, Downstar Hardware. I think a lot of people go through them. They have like titanium bolts and stuff. So yep, super excited for that. I'm actually excited to cut the car up. Like, it sounds probably bad, but yeah, probably gonna be vlogging the whole experience and stuff, so you guys will be on the journey of all of it. And I just hope, like, I really want to start vlogging and drifting. Like, I keep telling myself I never know what like life can give me, where life can take me, doing something I do enjoy. Like, this shit is fun, like modding cars, working on cars, and then eventually to drift the car. Like, I've been wanting to do that forever. So I mean, you never know in life. You gotta take the chances, and hopefully good things come. But I'm gonna go mock up the rear fender real quick and see what it looks like, and I'll take you guys along right now. Guys, look how fucking crazy this looks. Ignore the car. She's dirty and all this other crap. Just watch when she's done. But look how much wider it is. If you guys can see, that's like normal bumper, and that's fender now. And this is just a quick mock-up, but look how far. It literally goes in from there, there, and it comes up all the way up here. It's not like, obviously, I don't have nothing crazy, but yeah. God damn, this shit looks wild. Look at that arch. Only bad thing is I gotta cut, I think, so much of my fender. But oh well, replace it with this. But god damn, that's just a quick mock-up. So imagine when this thing's done, painted and everything. I am wet. But yeah, that's probably it for the video. Just a quick mock-up, show you guys and stuff.